Now, let us try case markers for plural nouns. They have a slightly different rule. For proper nouns, the singular si becomes sina. Sina is the plural form of si. For common nouns, you simply add what is called the plural marker mga before the case marker ang. Adding the plural marker mga is the equivalent of adding s to a word in English. Let us try the case marker sina for plural proper nouns. Sina Peter at Marie, Peter and Marie. Sina Peter at June, Peter and June. Sina Anne at Marie, Anne and Marie. Sina June at Anne, June and Anne. Sina Peter, Marie at June, Peter, Marie and June. Sina Anne, Marie at Peter, Anne, Marie and Peter. As you can see, you only have to use sina once in a sentence with two or more proper nouns.